Ali and Sami's Summer Splash Days. Two brothers, Ali and Sami, were very happy. Summer vacation had started. The sun was bright. The days were long and warm. Ali said, "Let's go to the park." Sami said, "Let's play water games." They went to the park with their friends. Everyone was excited. Day 1, they played with a hose. Water splashed everywhere. They laughed and ran. Day 2, they had water balloons. Splash, pop, everyone got wet. Day 3, they used water guns. Pew pew, they chased each other. Day 4, they made a small pool. They jumped in and out. It was cool and fun. Day 5, they played slip and slide. They slid fast on the wet ground. Whee! Day 6, they washed their bikes, but soon it became a water fight. Day 7, they played with cups and buckets. They poured water again and again. Day 8, they danced in the sprinkler. The water went round and round. Every day was a new game. Every day was full of joy. Ali and Sami loved summer. They loved playing with friends. At night, they smiled and said, "Today was the best day." They could not wait for tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you next time.